Hi guys, good day. We're just gonna give it a minute for people to join. While you're coming on, I just want to just welcome you all here. Today we're going to learn how to create a website in minutes. Okay, you can create funnels or websites. Very easy to use. If you can use Facebook, you can use this. You can set up a store with one or more products. Bye bye, Shopify. Course Builder and membership replaces ClickFunnels and Carta. Manage customers with CRM and book appointments or group meetings. You can replace Calendly. Soon to come, guys, there's going to be people say, look that back. You put that back. You look better. It looks better than you do. Okay. Soon to come, guys, you're going to be able to emails and automations are coming down the pike. I mean, this is going to be great. So I'm just going to share my screen with you to kind of show you the platform here. This is what you would need to do is you need to go to, go get a login. Just create login, get started. But I'm going to show you just everything that you can do you can build something from scratch. If you're like me and you look at a blank screen and you draw a blank, this is going to be fun, guys. So hang around and thanks for watching. But you are going to see this is called Scribble Funnels. It is amazing. So here we go, guys. So you get an all-in-one website builder. Stunning designs, you get funnel builders, CRM appointments, an e-commerce store, all from one place, and emails are soon to be here, but take a look at just everything that it looks so nice, well laid out. You can control the website from your phone, throw a pop-up on the site, easy to do search engine optimization, and the best part is it's very affordable for any budget. Most of these funnel builders I've seen out there, they tell you lifetime access. I've always wondered, who's lifetime? Mine, the guy that created the software, or what if they stop paying their website hosting fee? I mean, so this is a monthly. Lifetime doesn't mean anything, guys. That's whose lifetime is always that. I've always asked that. So, but I've used things that that click. I've used things that drop. I've used things that are groovy. I've used them all, and this by far, guys, is the simplest one. So let's dive in, shall we? Let's have some fun. Okay. So that's so you're gonna create your website. So I'm gonna just go here. What do I want to create? Now this is when you first log in. Then when you log in, you can manage your page. You'll get a special link that you can just go right to. It'll be like manage dot whatever your domain name is, whatever you set up. So let's just say we want to create a website. That's what we brought. And it is very fast, guys, but it's also when I stream, it takes a little bit of resources. But these are all the designs. So if you want to do art, business, church, consulting, fashion, membership. So if you're going to create a membership course, membership site, you're in personal services, whatever those would be. Let's just say fitness. So I'm going to get this. I'm going to view it. I want to take a look at it, see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. Okay. I can shop the courses, about us, home, blog. So let me just see what that looks like. So all the pages that are in there. So, man, I got these pages. I get this. Speak to us. Just change the name. I'm really liking this. So I'll start with this theme. Okay. And I've already got an account, so I'm just going to log in here. Already got an account. Log in. And it's going to bring me to my dashboard. So this is my builder, store, contacts, appointments, all from one place. Isn't this sweet? So it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Hey, freelancer, how you doing? So this is what you do. So when you're in this software, I'm going to just expand this out for you guys, so you don't need to look at me here. So we'll just bring that out a little bit, and then we'll go to. So when you're in this is. So I'm going to go here. I want to do the websites. I want to create my new website. Yep, create a new website. So it's going to take me back to that same spot of where I'm looking for websites. And again, I apologize but this is the websites. These are all the services. So I'm going to do, let's see, you're a dentist, whatever your service is, insurance, finance, wealth management. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. Whatever your services are, guys. I know Freelancer does. He does graphics design, and he also does PowerPoint. So he would basically free. I'm going to start with this thing. Sorry. Okay, we're going to do graphics design. He does PowerPoints and graphics design. So if you need graphics design, go see Freelancer. Okay, and so then we're going to bring back to the builder. And then you have, hey, check this short introduction video to quickly familiarize yourself with the builder. It's going to tell you where everything is. I suggest you watch it when it first comes up. The other thing is, and then you have, so then this is these are all your columns, blocks. This is a block. So this whole section is a block. So I can come here, I can delete the block, I can copy the block. So I want to, this is a button. So when I click on the button, I can edit the button, edit the settings. I can, where it's going. So it's already going to the contact form. So I can tell them to do anything else. I can go to the next step in the section. I can put a form in here if I want, but let's just, this is for graphics design. So I would recommend that Freelancer free graphics design. Well, he can do one graphic or he could do one slide, for free to showcase his services. So if it's a small little logo or something like that, doesn't take a lot. He could have a list of things that he offers, but this is an engaging thing that he could think of. So there's titles that you want to be engaging with your customers. Then you edit the text here. The benefits of doing yoga or the benefits of graphics design. Then you have all these benefits, benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit 3. And so all those are in there. And you can change this around. So if I want to say add a block and I don't want anything in it, I'm going to add an empty block. A block is just a section. Think of a block as a section on the page. So I'm going to fill the block with something. And I have columns here. And column, I want say I want 3 columns. So I just put those in there, okay? So now I'm going to add a widget to each column. So maybe I want a, let's see, map in one. So then I'm going to say, well, that'll work. Space Needle, Seattle, Washington. I can do satellite too if I want. So that's where I'm at, or if that's the Space Needle. And I can zoom out or in on that map. That's just one little widget there. So I'm going to add another one here. Let's say a donation. So, and then you add your form fields and all that. So you can add anything you want in here. So I think I'll delete that. Didn't mean to put it in there. Delete that. Yep. Let's just see. What else do I want in there? Checkout, gallery. I love icon selector, icons. So if I want an icon here, I can put an icon. And I can change that icon. So, and I can just change the size of it. So if I want a big icon, little one. So I can change all that. I can change the color. So I want it that color. You see? So you have complete functionality here. So, and maybe I want it to link to something. That's a mail, so I want it to link to an email address. So just type in the email address you want it to link to, and then whenever they click on that mail button, it'll send it right out. Okay? So there you have that. I want an icon section, so I'll put that here. So this is and I can change the icons. So make sure you watch the movie up here, whatever I want. So this is all about that movie that's right up here. So whatever you want. It's your world. You do what you want with it. Now, this is the other thing I like. I like blocks that are completely done for me. So this is your headline block. This is services, call to action, image and text, just texts that are all laid out for you. Video. These are beautiful. Let's say I want that one. And you're going to see how that was just put in there. Okay. So you have all this functionality here. And you can also add a shape divider. So if you want a curve, shape divider. And I want the divider to be green. So see how I just did that? It's curved. I've got a shape divider. Maybe I didn't mean to do that, so I come back up here to the block. Don't want the color. No color. So we come back down here, and we need to go to back to the shape divider. And do I want to have a blue in there at the bottom? And so I've just curved that shape divider. Just added a little flair to the website. And these are all things you can do at any given point. So let's do a background color. If we wanted the background color Let's see. We want a background color. See how I just did that? So you can change up your site any way you want. But these are the things that you're able to do on this. So it is, you've got some really powerful functionality with this. So you need to check this out. It's again, scribblefunnels.com. The best thing is it's free. There's absolutely no credit card required. It's free, guys. Can I mention that again? It's free. Go try it out. You cannot break the thing. Uh, Create your own website in minutes. Get your web presence out there. Exposure equals expertise, guys. Like you can do landing pages, you can do funnels. I am so sick to death of external calendars. I'm so sick to death. I think I'm more goo over the calendar feature in this than anything else. Let me just show you how that works. So we're back at this calendar. I want to add, so I need to go set up my appointments. So you've got your store, which is huge for people. You can have your own store with your own. So you come here to the store and let's discard. I don't want to change anything. I want store products, add shipment, and connect payment. So you add a product. You can add a category. You can add a service. This is already in here because it's already part of but you can change those. Yoga for experts, yoga for advanced, yoga for newbies. So some of these things are already going to be in there. You just change them for what you do. So if I wanted to take a look at this, just click on this arrow here. I can change this. If I like this picture, if I want to use it, that does look like an expert yoga pose. So if I wanted to use it, I can come here. But if I don't, if I want to change it, I can change it. So and your price, if it's on sale, your sale price, this is your normal price. This is it. So if I do this and I say 85, when it shows up on the store, and I can clone the product. So which means if I'm doing multiple products and I don't want to keep doing all this, and then I just change the name of the product. So you can do that too. Subscription product, you can show a custom thank you page. You'd have to link the page. And so you can create a custom thank you page. In other words, guys, so pages, appointment, courses, and then select there. So you can do that, or no, I don't want that. If it's a variation, like if you're selling shoes, is it size, color, blue, red, white, extra large, extra small, what have you, the name of your product, some description about the product. By the way, you have complete functionality here. You want to have a bulleted list of their things they're going to learn or gain from your product or service. So yeah, guys. And so, but I was going to show you, so that's the store. So I can hit save there. I can come over here to appointments. Again, watch these videos when you come in here. It'll show you the basics structure, but I'm just going to go over, I'm going to create a new booking event. I'm going to type in appointment with Master of Disaster. Okay. Learning my purpose because Jonathan really helps. You can tell it anything. It's a Zoom meeting, so there's really no location. I can send them an email to the client with details about their meeting when a new appointment is made. I add an operator, operator name. I'm going to add me, and then I'm going to add, and then I'm going to make it a 30-minute. See, on Calendly, the free account only allows you to do one or the other, 15 or 30, or you got to keep going back in and changing it. Or you got a custom, it's an hour and a half, whatever. I'm only available for booking for the next 2 weeks. If you're going to try to book me out for 3 months down the road, I don't want to talk to you anyway. Chances are, so I can set that though. I can do custom date range, whatever, your own indefinitely, but I like the next 2 weeks here. So, but this day I am going to be off on Friday and to Monday. Okay, so you're going to see that in a minute. I am available for 30 minutes at a time. Scheduling notice, I don't want last minute bookings, so I need to give myself 4 hours, but I also want a good 25 minutes between appointments. Okay, so the number of sessions per day, you know what, I don't want to go over 5. So whatever. And then these are forms, so you can edit the form questions. You can put pretty much anything you want in here: text, radio buttons, checkbox fields, common fields, address. I want their phone because I don't want them skipping out on me. And especially if they're at this point, they can give me a phone number, especially if they're in my area. So next is confirmation, message header, appointment. Thank you. Here is the Zoom link. And then you can even add a call to action button. Take me to my video and my 50 bucks. So we're going to save those changes. Save changes, updated. And now we are going to go to our builder. And we're going to add another block. Well, I'm going to just do an empty block because I'm just going to add a widget in there. And the widget will be a booking. Wait till you see this. And now I'm going to appointment with the master of disaster. I'm going to change the booking layout. I tend to like this one. And then we're going to, you can change the heading font if you want. And then step settings. And then you can change the styling if you want. Well, let's see, shadow color. I've always liked this. There we go. And background color. I'm with blue. And here we go. And then we are going to go to okay, we've got that down. So I'm going to hit this, save the changes, and see what it looks like. And then I've got book an appointment down here. See? I love it. So here's my calendar. Here's Thursday. I'm off Friday through the weekend. I can take appointments all the way up here. So 11th at 9:30. I hit my name, my phone, and I book the appointment. And it takes me to this page here because I told it to. So now I can have a video here, playing up here. And this is my membership page and all that. And I can have a nice little message and all that kind of thing. So they've got some information that I've taken them to. So that's how that works. So guys, what are you waiting for here? Get on over to try this out. So I encourage it. So my name is Jonathan Ribble. Go to scribblefunnels.com. This is going to be a game changer for you. So glad that you stopped by. Hope you learned a little bit about this software, but sign up for a free account. No credit card required. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.